Hi there, my name's Nadine Parkinson and I'm from Tearfund. We're so grateful for the support from you at Claygate for all that we're doing. Thank you. We've had a busy few months. As you can imagine, we've been responding to the threat of COVID across the world, and we've been setting up projects, setting up water tanks, taps, giving out hygiene kits, emergency supplies to people who are most vulnerable, people in refugee camps. And I think one of the most shocking things to me over the last few months is hearing reports back from our country director saying people are actually saying, do you know, we're at more risk of starving than we are of COVID, because they have to go out every day to work to earn money for their families, and so where there are locally imposed lockdowns, they're really at risk of starvation. Here's a little film from our country director Pranaya, who's in Nepal. It'll just give you an insight into what's happening in another part of the world.
Government officials
In this pandemic situation, we all are facing various challenges. The number of COVID-19 cases continues to rise globally and also in Nepal. It has impacted mainly the health, economic and social aspect of the country. Public health crisis as such is the greatest challenge for the government and stakeholders, given their limited capacity to contain the spread of the coronavirus disease. Thousands of migrant workers from India, Gulf and other countries have returned home, which was a challenge for federal and local governments to manage quarantine centers and isolation wards. Now the challenge continues as unemployment has exponentially increased. The lockdown of 4 months has caused even more people to lose their jobs and bread for their families. Other needs in the communities are water, sanitation, hygiene and health. Tearfund has completed initial response in partnership with its existing partners and communities. Tearfund has been able to reach more than 18,000 households and more than 22,000 individuals to meet their immediate needs. Likewise, water, sanitation and hygiene, and health interventions.
Tearfund has completed initial response in partnership with its existing partners, faith groups and communities. This was possible through your generous support. Tearfund continues to serve the communities, families and individuals where the need is greatest. Therefore, creating economic and livelihood opportunities for those impacted families in the long run are the key priority areas of intervention. Thank you so much for your support, and this has made a huge impact on the life of those families that we serve in Nepal. Thank you so much.
I loved getting that insight into what's happening in a completely different part of the world. I hope you enjoyed that too. So thank you so much to all of you who are supporting us in so many different ways. Thank you so much to all of you who did the climb. You're amazing and you raised so much money for us. Thank you for praying for us, and all the support that you give us in different ways helps, and it really does change lives. So thank you and bless you.